Drowning in Retell Lecture anxiety, let's conquer the PTE Retell Lecture with a game-changing template. Step 1. Preparation. Before even the lecture starts, glance at the image and anticipate the topic. Jot down a few keywords like the subject or theme you think the audio will be about. Also, start thinking about transition phrases. Step 2. Listen and note during the audio. Listen intently as you listen. Quickly write down key points, numbers, dates, and any significant information mentioned, preferably following a structure like the template we will discuss. Step 3. The template introduction. Start with a general statement, like the lecture presented a summary of a euro or the speaker discussed a euro. Then, briefly identify the main subject of the lecture. Step 4. Main points. This section is for content. State your ideas with key phrases. For this, you should try repeating some of the ideas the speaker mentioned, and try to use at least 2 main points. Don't worry about perfection. Just focus on conveying the core message. Step 5. Main points. Repeat in a different sentence pattern. This section is very similar to the last one, and repeat as much as possible the ideas you got in the audio, including its numbers, names, or dates. Step 6. Conclusion. Finally, summarize the conclusion made in the lecture. You can say something like, in conclusion. Step 7. Practice. Practice this template with various lectures available online or in practice materials. Time yourself and refine your note-taking speed and fluency. With consistent effort, you will see your confidence soar, and your PTE Retell Lecture score will follow suit. Master this template, and you're well on your way to PTE success.